So task 2 or part 2. So this would be our given equation. Fx equals x squared minus 2. Then let xl equals 1. Then xu equals 2. So start first the equation. F1 equals 1 squared minus 2 equals to negative 1. Then F2 equals 2 squared minus 2 is equals to 2. So the XL equals 1, then XU equals 2. Fx equals negative 1, Fx equals negative 2. So first, we're going to solve the iteration 1. So xi plus 1 equals the formula xl plus xu over 2 equals 1 plus 2 over 2 is equals to 1.5. So fx equals 1.5 squared minus 2 equals 0.25. So f times xl times x times fxi plus 1 equals 1 times 1.5 equals 1.5. So the xl equals 1, then xu equals 1.5. I replaced the xu to xi plus 1. So that would be 1.5. Iteration 2, same process as iteration 1. So xi plus 1 equals 1.1. 1 plus 1.5 over 2 equals to 1.25. And fx equals 1.25 squared minus 2 equals negative 0.43. So fxl times fxi plus 1 equals 1 times 1.25 is equals to 1.25. So in iteration 3, have you seen there is an EA? So this EA, there is no EA in iteration 1 because there is no old xi plus 1. So the EA we're going to use in iteration 2. So the formula of EA equals to xi plus 1, which is 1.25, minus xi plus 1, and the old one is 1.5, equals to xi plus 1 is equals to, xi plus 1, 1.25 times 100 equals negative 20%. So the XL here is XL equals 1.25, XU is 1.5. So we replace the XL to XI plus 1. So in iteration 3, same process as iteration 1 and 2. So XI plus 1 equals 1.375. Fx equals negative 0.109375. Then Fxl times Fxi plus 1 equals 1.71875. Then the EE equals 9.09%. So the XL equals 1.375. The XU is 1.5. Again, so we replace the XL to 1375. So in iteration 4, same process. So xi plus 1 equals 1.4375. Fx equals 0.0664. Then XL times Fxl times Fxi plus 1 equals 2.8125. So EA equals to 4.34%. So XL 1.375, XU is 1.4375. So we replace the XU. So XU ang na-replace. So in irritation 3, same process. The xi plus 1 equals to 1.4063, fx equals to negative 0.0225, fxl times fxi plus 1 equals 1.934, then the EA equals to 2%. So the XL equals 1.4063, XU is 1.4375. So we replace the XL. So an irritation 6, same process. So XI plus 1 equals 1.4219, fx equals 0.2179961, then XL times fxi plus 1 equals to 2. So the EA equals 1.1%. So XL equals 1.4219, then XU is equals 1.4375. So the DIB equals 1.4375 minus 1.4063 equals to 0.0312 less than 0.1. So here is the table of this equation. So irritation, XL, XU, XI plus 1, FXL times FXI plus 1, then EA. So in irritation 1, 1, 2, and 1, then XU 2, XI plus 1, 1.25, FXL times FXI plus 1 equals 1.25, then the EA here is no percentage yet. And N2, 0, N2 irritation 2, 1, XL 1, XU 1.5, XI plus 1, FXL times FXI plus 1, 1.25, then EA is negative. So the answer of this irritation is you need to put here in table 1. So if the continuous, all the